Matugod nating palakpakan muli ang bagong kasal, si Kim at si Danela.
I was coming down, I was low and all alone.
At ngayon, Kim Patrick, dumating na ang sandali ng iyong pinakahihintay. Maaari mo nang halikan sa unang pagkakataon ang iyong asawa.
Cut like colors in the half-light. I was playing with fire, didn't care if it burned, and I was barely alive, always hiding the hurt. I was nobody before I loved you. Yeah, I was roaming lost, didn't know my name, and I was hitting low till I saw your face. I was nobody before I loved you. Before I loved you.
Before I met you, I wandered through life feeling lost, incomplete, unsure of my place in the world. Then, you came along. Everything changed.
Yeah, I was roaming and lost, didn't know my name, and I was hitting low till I saw your face. I was nobody before.
Babe, this is it. From BS Economics. One mo ang love team of the year. To husband and wife. I still remember the feeling when you asked me, pwede ba kitang ligawan? It's the same feeling that I'm having right now. Kinikilig, kinakabahan.
Ngayon ang araw na ating pinakahihintay. Ngayong nandito ka, hindi sasablay.
Sorry talaga, ako talaga yung official third wheel talaga at number 1 talaga na fan ng love team nyo.
Love team of the year. Kami.
Babe, congratulations. I love you.
Magkasama tayong dalawa, di na bibitawan ang mga kamay. At mula ngayon, lilipas ang panahon, magkahawak, magkasama tayong dalawa. Itong pinapangarap ko, ngayon ay magkakatotoo. Lahat ng to dahil sa'yo. Heto na, di na palalampasin pa. Magkasama tayong dalawa, di na bibitawan ang mga kamay. At mula ngayon, lilipas ang panahon, magkahawak, magkasama tayong dalawa. Na 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 na, na na na, na na na, na 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 na, na na na, na na na, na 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 na, na na na, na na na, na 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 na, na na na, na na na.
Kim Patrick, natanong mo na ba si Danela kung kaya niyang ialay ang buong buhay niya para sa'yo?
Yes, pa.
Ikaw naman, Danela, ganun din, tingnan mo sa mata. Tanungin mo, kaya mo din bang ialay ang buong buhay mo para sa akin?
Yes, Father. Araw-araw kong sasabihin at ipaparamdam sa'yo kung gaano kita mahal. I'm very lucky na ikaw yung kasama ko ngayon at makakasama ko habang buhay.
You inspire me to be the best version of myself.
You celebrate my wins, whether big or small. You make me feel capable, strong, and you make me feel like I can achieve anything. Today, I vow to hold on to that feeling.
I thank God every day for bringing you into my life. You made me realize that love is not just about romantic dates, surprises, and all those pakilig moments. But it goes deeper than that. Love is understanding and accepting each other, even at your worst self.
Naiiyak na si tatay.
I said too much and not enough. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? Forget what we're
I vow to love you for everything that you are now and for everything that you will ever become. Thank you for making me whole. Thank you for making me the luckiest and the happiest man in the world.
Pwede mo nang ibigay sa iyong pinakamamahal na asawa ang iyong pinakamatamis na halik.
If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world?
So, let me end this with this one stanza na ginawa ko back in 2017. Sa mundong puno ng ingay at gulo, nahanap ang katahimikan sa piling mo. Kahit mundo man natin ay baliktarin, mahal, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin. Love, Lanela.
Kahit ulit-ulitin natin ito, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Kahit magbago ang ikot ng mundo, hindi magbabago, ikaw pa rin ang hahanapin ko. Ikaw lang. Kahit ulit-ulitin natin ito, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Kahit
Kaya nga, tayo ay nananalangin ngayon mga kapatid na sana ang kasalang ito'y mauwi sa tunay na pagkakaisa ng isip, ng puso, at ng buong buhay. Yan po ang ating samod dalangin upang ang pagsasama ni Kim Patrick at Daniela bilang mag-asawa ay maging panghabang buhay.
pagbabago, panibago, hindi na magbabago. Pangarap, pag-asa, pag-ibig, permanente.